of the biggest stories coming in from within the nation. This is a political one. Vote chori raga being back. A Brazilian model's face surfaces on Haryana's voter rolls. Duplicate names, mismatched photos, and claims of massive voter fraud being made by the leader of the opposition in the lower house, Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi has in fact called it a hydrogen bomb, alleging a theft of 25 lakh votes in Haryana. But what's the truth behind the headlines? Let's take you through that. India Today hits the ground in Rai and Sonipat to verify the faces, names and votes that Rahul has flagged. In fact, we found out and identified multiple cases using the now infamous Brazilian model photo that was first, in fact, unveiled by Rahul Gandhi himself. In two cases, voters admitted their photos were wrongly printed but said that they voted without any obstruction. One voter, Bimla Devi, appeared twice on the rolls, one being a genuine entry and another carrying a different EPIC number but the same address and the model's image again. In another case, we identified a voter named Gunia who died in March 2022. Yet, her name paired with the Brazilian model's photo continues to appear in the 2024 electoral roll. Now, well, let's understand whether this is fraud or faulty data being placed. Now, the jury is still out on that very question, but we will cut through the noise and bring you the facts right here on India Today as you take a look at this report for more information.
Who is this lady? How old is she? Which state does she come from? What's her name? Is she from Haryana?
Brazilian model's picture on a Haryana voter roll. Not once, but 22 times.
22 बार 10 बूथ में इसको वोट देने का मौका मिलता है.
A claim that has not just shocked the public, but also arguably shaken their trust in elections. So we hit the ground in Rai, Sonipat, and found the voters cited by the leader of opposition. On camera, on record. Meet Pinky from Machroli village. The woman Rahul Gandhi pointed to as proof of voter fraud.
इससे पहले कभी आप लोगों को दिक्कत हुई थी? आपका नाम या फिर आपका जो फोटो है कोई गलत तरीके से छप गया था?
नो मैम, कोई गलती नहीं है, बस फोटो चेंज हुई थी, बस ये दिक्कत हुई थी.
वो सही करने की भी कोशिश की होगी?
जी मैम, कोशिश की थी. मैम जिन्होंने हमें वोटर कार्ड दिया था, हमने उन्हीं के हाथ उल्टा भिजवा दिया था, तो उन्होंने बोला हम ठीक करवा के उल्टा दे देंगे, लेकिन वो अभी तक आया नहीं है. आज
वोटर कार्ड ही आज का आपके पास अब तक आया है?
हमने आधार कार्ड या जो सरकार की तरफ से स्लिप आती है हम उसी से वोट डालते हैं.
Next door, same story. Munesh's family also says they voted.
इलेक्शन ऑफिस से फोन आया था मेरे पास कि ये किसका मतलब वो वोटर कार्ड है. ये मेरी भाभी का वोटर कार्ड है. तो फिर उन्होंने मेरे से वोटर कार्ड की कॉपी मांगी, वो मैंने उनको SMS के थ्रू भेज दी थी. हमने जैसे हमारे पास ये वोटर कार्ड है तो हम तो पिछले 25 साल से जो यूज कर रहे हैं इसी को कर रहे हैं.
A booth level officer in Rai confirms the wrong photo appeared 3 times in a survey.
जी मैं पहले लगी थी, जब भी ये इसमें मेरी लिस्ट में 3 जगह फोटो था इसका. मुझे नहीं पता, तो मुझे मिली नहीं है. ये मैं गांव में सर्वे किया, मुझे नहीं मिली. फिर जिसके नाम थे उनने फिर अपने फोटो लगवा दिए थे, उनने अपनी चेंज करवा दी थी. ये तो ये मेरी लिस्ट में एक ही जगह रह गई थी. फिर ये ये पता नहीं जी मेरे को. तो
In Rai, Vimla's son confirms a duplicate voter ID in his mother's name. Same address, different epic number. He calls it fraudulent.
जो संख्या क्रमांक नंबर है ये आप भी देख सकते हो. इसमें मैं दिखाऊंगा थोड़ा कैमरे को. ये देखो, और इसमें भी मैच कीजिएगा. ये अलग है, डिफरेंस है बिल्कुल. ये है ही नहीं, ये पूरी तरीके से फेक है.
Here is another voter, Anju. She did not vote in 2024.
अंजू मेरी बहन है और उनके पति का नाम देवराज जी है. ये सब ठीक है, लेकिन फोटो मेरी बहन की नहीं है. पहले रहते थे लेकिन अब वो इस टाइम सोनीपत शिफ्ट हो चुके हैं.
In another case, Saroj's name appears in Rai rolls with the Brazilian woman's photo. Her family is saying she moved to Bhiwani in 2001 and calls the entry fraudulent, demanding a fair probe.
ये गलत लग रहा है, ये कि सरोज की फ़ोटो नहीं है, सरोज की फ़ोटो की जगह किसी और की फ़ोटो दे रखी है। तो ये हमें गलत लग रहा है, ये हमें नहीं पता ये कैसे हो रहा है। ये सरकार ही तय करेगी इसके बारे में।
In one case, the photo of a voter who died 4 years ago appeared to have been replaced with models.
4 साल हो गए यहीं रहती थी। हाँ, यहीं रहती थी।
So who is this Brazilian model who made it to the headline slide of Rahul Gandhi's presentation against EC? 28-year-old Larissa Neri is a model, hairstylist by profession and a digital creator by hobby. She's a Brazilian who has never visited India, but on Wednesday morning woke up to a flood of calls and messages.
Sendo assim, estava em plataforma.
I was on platforms where people who want copyright free photos could take them. I don't know very well, but unfortunately, I have nothing to say. I don't even know what to do. The photo is free for anyone who wants to use it.
Rahul Gandhi's hydrogen bomb on Haryana vote chori began with a serious allegation. A Brazilian model's photo appeared 22 times in 10 booths under one constituency. So while the Brazilian woman may never have voted in Haryana, her face has now become the real revelation behind India's electoral rolls, which exposes deeper cracks and also leaves plenty of room for political fire. With video journalist Nasir from Sonipat, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
Viewers, we have Shreya Chatterjee joining us on the broadcast to, in fact, take us through some more details of what she indeed found out when she went and spoke to the people out there in Haryana at this point. Shreya, very good morning to you. You know, you've spoken to a couple of people who had such discrepancies in their voter cards. But the question still remains, A, were there disruptions because of these discrepancies in their documents when they were voting? That is one question. And B, the number that's been flagged by Rahul Gandhi, the number of people who have such discrepancies on their voter card and they have still voted, people who are deceased, people whose photographs or details are wrong, it's indeed a staggering number. What exactly is the Election Commission doing about it then?
Well, Shreya, I'll take some time to actually address your questions because first about the mismatch. There's a lot of question on the mind of the people of the country. They say that if there is a photo mismatch, how can people even cast their vote? It's a valid question. Ideally, if your electoral roll has a different photo, when you will be going to cast your vote in the booth, you would be stopped. Here, however, we have spoken with two women who say that they received their voter slips. One of them agreed that the voter ID card she'd received when she shifted from Delhi to Sonipat, she got a different voter card with a different person's photo and she'd sent it back, but because her name appeared and she had a voter slip, she voted with her Aadhaar card. The same is about Munesh. She's also saying that there was a photo discrepancy issue with her as well, but she's saying that I still was allowed to vote and it was she who casted a vote. We need to understand that this is also a place which is a village and everyone knows everyone. Probably that's one of the primary reasons why when agents of BLOs know people within their village, they say that, okay, you please allow them to cast their vote, because remember the Election Commission of India has also given the choice since 2019 that if you have alternate ID cards among, that is the 12 ID cards, which also include Aadhaar card, and if your name appear on the voter slip, you can cast your vote. So that is the reason why both Munesh and Pinky in this matter, despite that photo mismatch, have actually casted their vote as they're claiming. Remaining three discrepancies that we've found are really, a little bit something which needs investigation and Election Commission to answer. Because one with that Brazilian woman's photo, Gunia, she died in 2022, yet her name appears in the 2024 electoral list. One woman, Saroj, she's already has an electoral card in Bhiwani. She's saying that I've voted in Bhiwani. Why does she still appear on the electoral roll in Rai with that Brazilian woman's photo? That is something the Election Commission needs to answer. And third, we have also found a case study of a duplication in the name of Vimla.